everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video. This video is how to gain weight in the right places. Get that curve you desire using this simple ingredient. I'll be showing you how to prepare this and explain what to do alongside with it. So guys, don't forget to like, share my video, comment down below if this really helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's dive into it. I'll be using banana for this protein shake. Banana are a good source of healthy carbs, and it can be effective in gaining weight in the right places when consumed in the right way. Next is honey. Honey is high in antioxidants and good natural nutrients to help you grow glute. I'll be needing 1 tablespoon of this. Next is peanut. Peanuts contain healthy fats. They are good when added to this protein shake, and they promote muscle building. Next is oatmeal. Oatmeal is very important for this recipe. It contains right source of protein, mineral, vitamin, and zinc. It is very good for healthy weight gain. I will blend them all together. Here is the blended drink. Take this drink as part of your dietary. Have it as part of your breakfast. While taking this, have a relaxing time. Sleep well. Do some squatting alongside with this so that you can get that curvy look. Visible results in weeks. Thank you all for watching this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And then I will see you on my next video. Bye.